Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cyber with Umair. In today's video, I will show you how to install Kali Linux with Windows using dual boot step by step. Before we start, make sure you have a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. I am using 16 GB and at least 50 GB of free space of your Windows drive. Now let's start. Now press Windows plus X and open Disk Management. Locate your C drive. Right click on it and select Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space you want to allocate for Kali Linux. I recommend 15 GB, but I am using 100 GB. You will now see an unallocated space section. Don't create a new partition, just leave it as it is. Now open your browser and search for Kali Linux. Open the first Kali Linux website and go to the download section. Select the installer image and download first 64-bit installer ISO file. This is the recommended version for most users. While Kali Linux file is downloading, we will prepare our bootable USB. Search for Rufus and open the official website. Download the portable or standard version, both worked. Once both the Kali Linux ISO and Rufus are downloaded, we are ready to create the bootable USB. Now run the Rufus. Now select your USB drive. Then choose Kali Linux ISO file you recently downloaded. Leave the default setting as they are and click start. You will receive a warning that all data on USB will be erased. The process will take a few time. We will come back after the completion. Now your Kali Linux bootable USB is ready. Now it's time to install Kali Linux. Hold the shift key and click restart from Windows start menu. When the recovery menu appears, select USB drive and choose your USB. Your computer will boot into the Kali Linux installer. Here select graphical install. Now choose your preferred language, country, time zone and keyboard. After that, if possible, connect to the network. Now enter host name, domain name is optional, username and password. Choose a password you will remember because you will need it for administrative tasks. When you reach the partition section, select largest continuous free space. Now select all file in one. Review the change, yes to confirm. Now the installation is start. Here unselect the top 10 and default software. After that click continue. Wait for installation to complete. Once finished, click continue to reboot your computer. After restarting, you will see the GRUB menu. The first option is Kali Linux while another option is Windows Boot Manager. First we will go to Kali Linux. Log in using the username and password you created during installation. And congratulations, Kali Linux is now successfully installed. Now verify everything working fine. Open the terminal and run the basic command who am I to verify your username. Next, update your system by running sudo apt update. Enter your password because we need password for sudo commands. You can also upgrade all installed package by using sudo apt upgrade. Now restart your computer and see that Windows is working or not. Now here select the third option, which is Window. As you can see, both operating systems are running perfectly. And that's it, you successfully installed Kali Linux in dual boot with Windows. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Cyber with Umair for more cybersecurity, Linux, ethical hacking and tech tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will do my best to help. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.